Our planet is full of mystery and wonder. There are so many things that even scientists are only just discovering, from new species to secrets hidden deep within the ocean. Let us discuss some of them in today's video, but before we start, make sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. 1. A sea dragon fossil was found in the UK. In Rutland, England, the fossilized remains of an ichthyosaur, also known as a sea dragon, were found in February 2021, with the resulting research published in early 2022. The impressive and well-preserved skeleton was first found during a routine draining of a lagoon at Rutland Water Nature Reserve. It's the biggest and most complete skeleton of its kind ever found in the UK. And scientists also believe it's the first of its species, known as Temnodontosaurus trigonodon, to be discovered in the 2. We found a fossil of an underwater dinosaur in Morocco. In August 2022, scientists in Morocco discovered a terrifying fossil that offers a window into what once swam at the bottom of our oceans. Described as a cross between a Komodo dragon, great white shark, killer whale, and T-Rex, the fossil was named Thalassodonton atrox, which means dreadful titan of the sea. The ancient sea creature lived around 66 million years ago and measured 40 feet, 12 meters, in length. The team that found the fossil believed that the creature spat out its prey's bones, some of which might still lie fossilized nearby. 3. Dinosaur footprints were found after drought in Texas. Ultra-dry conditions revealed huge dinosaur tracks in a muddy riverbed at Dinosaur Valley State Park in Texas in August 2022, one of many finds brought about by last year's droughts. Said to belong to an Acrocanthosaurus, a 15-foot-tall, 5m, 7-ton early cousin of the T-Rex, the tracks are around 113 million years old. Another species, the Sauroposeidon, measuring 66 feet, 20 meters, tall and weighing a whopping 44 tons, is also likely to be responsible for some of the prints. Although the park is famed for its dinosaur tracks, this was the first time these particular footprints had been seen. 4. We discovered a rainbow fish that's born female and turns male. One of the most striking species discovered last year was this beautiful rainbow-colored fish, Cerulibris phenophenma. The Maldivian species, known as the rose-veiled fairy wrasse, was found in the Indian Ocean's mesophotic zone, which is between 131 and 230 feet, 40-70 m, underwater. Like other species of wrasse, it changes in both sex and appearance as it gets older, shifting from female to male and becoming more brightly colored, in order to attract a mate. 5. Scientists finally explained Namibia's fairy circles. These strange gaps in the grassland, which number in their millions and are found in the heart of the Namib Desert, have puzzled scientists for decades. But new research has finally answered the question of how they're formed. According to scientists at Germany's University of Göttingen, the grasses outside the circles suck up water from within the circles, causing the grasses inside to die. The research finally solves the mystery of the bizarre phenomena, which were previously thought to have been created by termites. 6. A 30,000-year-old woolly mammoth was unearthed in Canada. Another recent scientific discovery with far-reaching implications was the strikingly well-preserved baby woolly mammoth, which dates back to the last ice age. When it was first uncovered in deep permafrost in the Yukon's Adirondack-Wet'suwet'en Traditional Territory, Canada, researchers were stunned. Its perfectly preserved skin, trunk, toenails, and hair made it the best woolly mammoth specimen ever found in North America. 7. Insects produce as much electricity as thunderclouds. Among 2022's stranger pieces of scientific research was this study on honeybees. Conducted by researchers at the University of Bristol, the study measured electrical fields near swarms of honeybees and found that the insects were capable of producing as much electrical charge as thunderclouds. The findings are unique in demonstrating that living organisms can have an impact on atmospheric electricity. 8. We discovered the oldest known sentence on a head lice comb. It might not look like much to modern eyes, but the scrawls on this ancient comb are actually a written message. In fact, this is the oldest known sentence ever discovered, believed to date back to around 1700 BC. The comb was unearthed in south-central Israel in 2017 and is made from ivory, containing 14 teeth for the removal of head lice. Written in Canaanite script, the earliest known alphabet, the newly deciphered sentence says, "May this tusk root out the lice of the hair." 9. We uncovered why Egyptians mummified their corpses. Most people are familiar with mummification, the process by which ancient Egyptians treated and wrapped their dead. But until recently, the reasoning behind it was misunderstood. The prevailing theory since Victorian times was that the technique was simply for preserving the human form. Now, a new exhibition will argue the process was actually used to transform corpses into a shape the gods would accept, in order to steer the deceased towards divinity. The research has been unveiled to the public at a new exhibition, Golden Mummies of Egypt, showing at Manchester Museum throughout 2023. 11. Digs revealed 4,300-year-old tombs in Saqqara, Egypt. Egypt, home to the Giza pyramids, is fertile ground for archaeologists, with experts consistently uncovering fascinating relics that reveal wonders of the ancient world. The latest discovery is a series of 4,300-year-old tombs in Saqqara, less than 20 miles, 32 kilometers, south of Cairo. The findings date to the 5th and 6th dynasties of Egypt's Old Kingdom and also include carved statues and a mummy covered in gold leaf. 11. Digs revealed 4,300-year-old tombs in Saqqara, Egypt. Egypt, home to the Giza pyramids, is fertile ground for archaeologists, with experts consistently uncovering fascinating relics that reveal wonders of the ancient world. The latest discovery is a series of 4,300-year-old tombs in Saqqara, less than 20 miles, 32 kilometers, south of Cairo. The findings date to the 5th and 6th dynasties of Egypt's Old Kingdom and also include carved statues and a mummy covered in gold leaf.